Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the iPhone storage full issue after the iOS 26 update. So let's get started right now. Solution 1. Check system data other storage. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on general. Tap iPhone storage. Here check how much space system data other is using. Sometimes this takes up unnecessary storage after updates. Solution number 2. Clear Safari history. Open the setting app and scroll down. Click on apps. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Scroll down again and tap clear history and website data. Confirm by typing clear history and data. This removes browsing history, cookies and chachi files, freeing up space and making Safari faster. Solution number 3. Offload unused apps. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Tap iPhone Storage. Select any app you don't use often. Tap Offload app. Confirm again by typing Offload app. This will remove the app but keep all your data safe. You can reinstall it anytime. Solution number 4. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. Your iPhone will restart and all settings will return to default. Don't worry, your photos, app and files will stay safe. That's it. Guys, these are the best way to fix the iPhone storage full issue after updating to iOS 26. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching in this video.